到会大间房间的。到的
Ladies and gentlemen, Tiger Airways is pleased to welcome you to Kuala Lumpur. The local time is 11 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments. Before you leave the aircraft, please check that you have all your hand luggage with you. May we remind you again to leave your mobile phone switched off until you are inside the terminal building. Thank you for flying Tiger Airways. It has been a pleasure to have you with us today. We look forward to seeing you again very soon. And remember, for the lowest fares, always log on to tigerairways.com. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.